Gusto mo rin bang mag-blue hair? Here's a quick guide for you. Matagal ko na gusto mag-blue hair. I've tried all sorts of hair colors na through the years, pero ito talaga yung iniiwasan ko. Sabi kasi nila, high maintenance daw ang blue hair and mahirap i-achieve. Thankfully, I found products that help me achieve my vibrant blue hair without so much hassle and di rin na-damage ang hair ko. Step 1. I bleached twice with hybrid colors, Don't Kill My Vibe bleach set. Tagal ko na nakikita tong local bleach brand na to na di daw masakit sa scalp. Buti na lang may maayos akong reseller na nabilhan. To get vibrant blue hair, I had to bleach my hair to at least level 9. So, 2 times akong nag-bleach. May konting sting lang siya pero sobrang minimal and tolerable compared dun sa mga ibang bleach na try ko dati. Highly recommended talaga. Sa sobrang tuwa namin sa bleach na to, si nanay naka 5 times na ata nagpa-bleach sa akin. Kung di lang ako tinamad, baka nag-third time pa ako. Step 2. I toned my hair with Hair Fix Beat the Brass Purple Shampoo. Sobrang critical ng part na to for dyeing your hair blue kasi pag di mo na tone down yung pagka-yellow, pwedeng maging green ang results when you dye it blue. I only did this once. I put on the Hair Fix Purple Shampoo on my wet hair and waited an hour before rinsing it completely. Kitang-kita naman na nabawasan na yung yellow tones or pagka-brassy niya. Step 3. I dyed my hair blue with Iroiro 45 Deep Blue. I've seen a lot of blue dye brand reviews and itong Iroiro ang nagtop sa mga longer lasting daw. Good thing I found this product on Shopee. Mabango siya sa hair and it didn't dry my hair out too. I love it. Ang vibrant pa ng pagka-blue. Here are photos of me a month after and past 4 months. Ganda pa rin, no? Tara, mag-color blue ka na rin ng hair.